I'm Jeff, and this is how to make notepads in Microsoft Word. Now, maybe you just ran out of your spiral notebook paper, or you need to make some quick college rule for your kid. Whatever it is, you might just want to make a notepad using Microsoft Word instead of going quick to the store and getting one. If so, here's how you can do it. Open a new document, like I have here, and just start hitting the Enter key a bunch of times. What that's going to do is make a bunch of paragraphs. Every time you hit Enter, that's a paragraph. Then you can press Control-A, or Command-A on a Mac, to select everything. There's another way to do this, which is to go up to Edit and select All. Either way, every one of these paragraphs is now selected. Now we go up to Format and Borders and Shading. In here, you'll see that we can apply all kinds of different borders and shades to whatever we're applying it to. In this case, we want this button right here. This one tells us we want to border between paragraphs. Click it once and hit OK. Now, every single one of these paragraphs is underlined. That's a good thing. We've basically got notebook paper. The only problem now is that it might be a little too narrow, maybe college ruled, and maybe you want more like a kindergarten kind of thing. That's okay. Hit Control-A to select all again, and we're going to just go up to Format, Paragraph, and you'll see down here we have line spacing. That's how far apart the lines are, and all we have to do is hit down to, say, double, and hit OK, and you'll see that the space is a lot farther apart. The only thing remaining now is that this goes on to the next page, and then next page, and then part down the other page. And that looks a little weird if you're printing this out multiple copies. You'll have some pages which don't go all the way down with the rules. So make sure you're watching down here where I'm pointing the cursor. That says 1 out of 4 pages. Go up to the top of the document and start hitting the delete, not the backspace, the delete key. Keep hitting it until you see it's a 1 out of 1 pages. It says 1 out of 2 now, and there's 1 out of 1. That means that we've got 1 page exactly of lined notepad paper. Print out as many copies as you want, pierce them through with some kind of spiral spring, and you're all set. That is how to make notepads in Microsoft Word. And I'm Jeff.